right, so the media barrage then is, on the one hand, it brings us information never before available. On the other hand, be aware that the media is always programming you. It's always programming you. Always. Why? Because first of all, they selected it to be on the television. That made it important right away, didn't it? Then how much time they give the story. Then the music behind it. See? The drama, the presentation. Everything is sold with, oh, look how that, no matter what you buy, whether it's for your eyes, your feet, new shoes, look at my new shoes, do you know what I mean? Everything is about sex, right? I have guys say to me, I'm so sick of being seduced and barraged by sexual images all day. I hate to watch the television. A barrage of it, you know. And then at the same time, there's all the abs for men to improve their performance. I mean, everybody's sex obsessed. I mean, what goes on? You know, I don't know what. All right, so just the fact that a thing is selected to be put on, then the image, you've already been programmed. You've already had it. That's an important story. Why? Because they put it up in the first place. And then if they repeat it over and over again, you think, man, that's a super important thing. Huh? In the meantime, nobody's even knows what happened to the Dow Jones average. I say most people have their money in savings. But the news report doesn't even get around to it. What happened to the Dow today? If you're lucky, they'll say it dropped 60 points, and then they quickly flash it off. Your life savings is, what was it? And then she's busy telling you about what's important.